Pataua, baby. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. You be my blood, yeah. Oh, you be my blood. Yeah. You be my blood.
Yo, what's happening, my Shaded Atuas? We're back at it again with another Shaded Vlog, Shaded Adventures, and we are here at Pataua. You dig what I'm saying? Real quick, people, I'm like two goddess people now. Out there just shell searching. They just vibing. You dig what I'm saying? Anyway, the sun's going down or just hiding behind a cloud real quick. So, yeah, hope you've all had a beautiful last couple of weeks, you know, staying beautiful, staying blessed, you know, all that stuff, staying creative, being an atua, feeling a wairua, not your ego, all that beautiful stuff, because you're all beautiful, no matter what. But you know what? I'm feeling fly. Should we get in the sky? Let's do some shots real quick. Drone shots. Hey. Pataua is always beautiful, man. I got like family that's like from this whenua here. Lucky. What about Steven Seagal and all his homies, man, bugging out on the drone, man? I was like, abort. Anyway, man, last couple of weeks been pretty busy, man. No cap. It's been busy, and your boy like got a year older, you know what I mean? So yeah, yeah. Another year older, but you know, it ain't that deep to me, man, like birthdays and that, man. What about you? He's like my niece's birthday is literally like 2 weeks before mine, and like she counts her days, like she counts it, like it's reset, like once it hit her birthday, like it got close to it, and she was like, when it was the week before, you know, she was like 7 days, and then once it was like, oh really, 3 days, and then it got like, you know, 23 hours. And then as soon as it was her birthday, she was like, 52 weeks. I was like, yo, you won. I'm like, I don't count my days till my birthday. I make my days count. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. So, yeah, every day's a birthday to me. I don't get too deep into it. Like my brother Harmy says, Te rā noa pupu. Every day's a new day, another day. Then I get another day tomorrow. I'm impressed about that stuff. But you know, there's a lot of people out there in your circle, or maybe just some old friends of yours that might just hold the old version of you. Like, I'm not saying my age, man, but like I'm in my 30s, man. You know what I'm saying? And there's like people there that if you were to say, yo, you know, Shaded, they'll be like, yeah, I know, man, and I'll talk to you like they know me, and they're actually like, it's like describing like I don't know, a 14 version of who they, when they last saw me, I was like 14 years old. You know what I mean? Like that sort of korero. Don't get pressed by it, man. It just how it happens. But don't let that dictate you. That's projection. Sometimes they hold you to that because they can't accept the fact that you're better than yourself, and they're still holding themselves like at that level that they were when they were like describing you. You know what I'm saying? Like people just reveal themselves, is what I'm saying. So yeah, I just want to have a little bit of a korero about that. Yeah, beautiful out here. It's been the last 2 weeks have been beautiful, reconnecting with my family. Yeah, don't forget where you come from, people. You know, it's always good to reconnect, stay rooted, stay grounded, stay beautiful, stay being an atua. You know the kaupapa. Keep feeling a wairua. That's where you go.
Can't nobody stop me, so stay clear. Living in the spiritual warfare, yeah. Been selected among on my bed.